Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. And I want to join Indian Air Force because his duty and discipline are always attached to me and I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. And now we are here to discuss on the topic. The topic is NGO. NGO is the full form of national non-government organization, and NGO works for needy and NGO works for needy person, and there are many types of NGO. That some NGO provides food, and some NGO are provide cloth, and some NGO are to help women for women harassment, and thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Ankit Kumar. I'm from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for woodwork furniture and also famous for Masako Devi Fair. I have recently completed my BSc with PCM from CCS University, and I have also a good academic talent and 12th standard also from UP Board. There are five members in my family. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a private teacher. My hobbies are playing cricket and cooking food. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives a well adventurous and disciplined life. It is not only a job; it is a way of life. Thank you. That's all about me. Today, our GD topic is NGO. NGO means non-government organization. They help the poor child and poor person which can't afford proper education, food and nutrients, and many other which want to help to live life. But at present time, 80 lakh plus NGOs are working in India. Some advantages of NGOs like they work for poor persons and environment and also help for the poor persons. And on the other side, many illegal NGOs are run just like Islamic State and many other NGOs work against our India, and it is very harmful for our society. Further discuss really. Thank you.
First of all, good First of all, good evening, everyone. My name is Anjali Kuntal. I belongs to Mathura, located in UP. I have completed higher secondary with PCV from State Board. I have got good academic record 10th as well as 12th standard. My hobbies are listening music, net surfing, and play outdoor games. Now I am pursuing BA from Bhimrao Ambedkar University. There are 6 members in my family. That's all about me. Dear old friends, this topic is related to NGO. NGO NGO is a non-profit and non-governmental organizations. NGO is a private institute which is helpful for needy person, poor person, and unmarried women and handicapped persons. NGO is a good in our country, and many women are harassed in increasing day by day. So this is good NGO platform. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipen Kora. I belong to Kanpur. I have passed 10th and 12th from UP board. Now I'm pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. There are 6 members in my family, including 3 siblings. My father is teacher, my mother is housemaker. Today, my hobby is playing cricket and reading newspaper. Today, my topic is NGO, which is assigned to me. NGO is a non-governmental organization. They are a boon for person, society, our nation. The work of these organizations provide medicine, education, and provide information. Live life is a very especially rural women NGO. In many cases, government is working with NGO to solve local problem. Smile Foundation is the biggest foundation in India. Like NGO, we get many profit through NGO. Like they provide education, they provide medical sector, they provide help in natural disaster, and BRAC is the biggest organization world. It is established in 1972 in Bangladesh and its annual income is 1.08 billion US dollar. Many NGO work in our society. NGO is sensitive to religious customs and culture. They serve NGO help like especially women. They reduce harassment, and acid attack, and many help in our nation.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Subham Kumar. I am from Ara, Bhojpur, Bihar. Ara is known as Earthova of Bir Kumar Singh. I have passed class 12th with 86% marks from BSCB, and now I am pursuing BSc Physics Honors from Bir Kumar Singh University, Ara. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder sisters. My father is farmer, and my mother is homemaker. I like playing volleyball and football. I am punctual and disciplined in my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventures and disciplined career. That's all about me, and we are here to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us, NGO. NGO, why are we needed NGO? And NGO is a boon or curse for any developing country like India. NGO means non-government organizations. These organizations works for the helpless and the poor. NGO are funded by the business firms, political parties, and other common people all around the world. NGO is an unprofitable organization, and the government cannot interfere in the work of NGO. NGO are worked for to provide health facility, education facility, and other basic things free of cost all around the world. And NGO can also work to save our environment. And in India, India has almost 80 lakhs NGOs. Thank you. Further, we have discussed in detail.
First of all, good evening to all. My name is Nikita Chaudhary. I belong to Hathras. I have completed my higher secondary education from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing BA second year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies is listening music and playing games. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventurous life and better opportunity after 12th. We are here to discuss about the topic NGO. NGO are non-government organization, non-profitable organization, also funded by the legal person or parties. These organizations are boon for people. NGO fight for people rights. NGO gives employment, which is a major problem. There are some where government agencies are unable to do work. NGO is a private organization which help for women and give the guidance how to live better.
Jai Hind everyone. Today I'm here to introduce myself. It is very proud moment for me. My name is Ajay Pal Yadav. I am from Alwar district, Rajasthan. Right now I am pursuing graduation from RR College, Alwar. I have completed class 12 from the Career Vision Senior Secondary School with PCM. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me a very adventureful life and a way of life which is very decorated and well maintained. And now coming on the group discussion topic. Today our group discussion topic is NGO, that is non-governmental organization. It as its word, it is a non-governmental. It means that it works for the society welfare, even not only for the person but also for even every human, every species for the planet. Like if they are saving cows, some NGOs working saving animals, some NGOs are working to save the nature, to doing a tree plantation and other things, and some NGOs are working for the woman welfare, child development, and help the needy people to donate the clothes and money, other things. It is mainly the main aim to NGO to help the needy person in our society so that they can come in a main line of the society and they work for our country. And there in our country more than 1 million NGOs are working, which is registered right now, and these are that NGOs which is working for our country welfare. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Anurag Sukla. I am from Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for NTPC. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation from Lucknow University. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation. That's all about me. Thank you. Today's our topic is NGO. NGO is a non-government and non-profitable organization which help for the development of people and women in rural areas. It is boon for our society. The main work of NGO is to provide education, medicine, and rights for women in remote areas. NGO works where government could not reach. There are approximately 20 lakh NGOs in our countries. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. My name is Nish Yadav. I am from Alwar. Now I am pursuing my graduation from RR Autonomous College, Alwar, and I completed my 12th class from Career Vision Senior Secondary School, Alwar. My hobbies are playing cricket and kabaddi. Today we are here to discuss the topic is NGOs. As we all know that NGO means non-governmental organization. It means it is not running by the government. It is running by the other peoples who is not related from the government. It's a very good initiative by the peoples when they start NGOs because it helps the needy person if they are if they need in healthcare, if they need in other sectors also, then it is helping of the every needy person. And the NGOs providing the food of the poor peoples, the many species, as the brother already mentioned, that many species also taking the benefit of NGOs. Thank you.
So, dear friends, we are here discuss on the topic of NGO. NGO is a good in our society, in our welfare, in our welfare in our society. NGOs is a private institute which is a which is a better for children's and many others resources. In my opinion, NGO is good in our country.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
I
add
do
some
agree.
point.
In NGO is a
NGO is a
private
boon for
institute
developing
and which
country.
is helpful for the poor people and needy persons. But NGO does not work under the government of many countries. And we can say NGO is not for profit. It is book for people and origin children. And it is not only possible due to some corrupted people that are starting our NGO. So NGO are working for people to help women from and women harassment.
I'm
Yeah,
agree with you. Thank you,
I
friends.
add some point. NGO in India has a large number of NGO as a compare of other country. NGO is a boon for developing country. I-
Yes. Now I want to say that I'm agree to all of you that you are saying that NGOs is that private institute that provide the all facilities for the poor peoples and women's also. It is helping for the women's and children's also. Actually, when I want to say that when a the man has not the good amount of money because his children is an like we can say his health is not good, so that's after then he can take the benefit from NGOs in my
yeah, I add some point. You listen carefully. NGO deal with social issues like women empowerment, girls child education, healthcare sector, and child labor and street child and slum street child and many more social issues.
I agree with you,
Yes,
I am
my
friend.
dear
I
friend,
am
I
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you.
Provides
NGO.
many
I am
facilities
agree with.
like
The NGOs will
informations,
raise our funds
and
from the
NGOs
business
are
partners,
the many
political
ATC.
parties, and common persons from many other ways. But they use these funds in a proper manner, like give the education for the children, street children, and give the proper medical help for many poor persons and helpless persons. And they use in a, food and I give an example like NGO, ASA Welfare Association, and Kushi Welfare Association, and many other associations are work for the society.
Due to the
I am agree
NGOs
with.
working right now, we are getting a result also. When the NGO was started, that time we not get a result, but right now, like the child labor and the child labor, child marriage are also decreasing in our country. It is mainly decreasing because the NGO is working with properly. Even we are not finding that the NGO is not a good. In some situation, NGO cannot be a good because they are they are becoming a money taking only. Some are donating money to NGOs, but the NGOs are misusing it. So this is also a problem with NGOs.
I
Yes,
am
I am agree with you. Sometimes
there
we have
are
seen that
20 lakh NGOs in our country, but we Indians are still poor. This shows that NGOs are not working properly to make our life better, and they use money for their own benefit instead of poor people's.
Dear
At
friends,
some
I
point,
think NGO is only possible
in
to
many
serve
cases,
the people, and
government is working with NGO to solve local problem. NGO good for work issue like irradiating poverty, education, and NGO they are not profitable.
They say at present time the many NGOs are very harmful for our society because they raise fund from the out of the country, and the fund will be used in a will be used in a terror activities like I give an example like Islamic State, Lashkar e Tayab, and many other harmful and dangerous welfare society is many harmful NGOs are work in Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, and
I
many other
am
places of our country.
Agree to you. And NGO
Yeah,
also
at some
sometimes
point.
also NGO is that thing that sometimes the in terror activities participants NGO is mainly responsible. Like the terror funding is also going on in our countries, which is mainly through by the NGOs and the to terror funding as well the to doing our to mitigate the tax and save the taxes from government. The peoples are donating money to NGOs, but reality of that NGOs that these are the only of that person to saving the money taxes money. So NGO is become a non-profitable, but the some person is make a NGO like a profitable things or also doing a terror fundings which is against our countries.
dear friends, I am agree with you that
sometimes
every coin has two sides. So NGO have also some merits and demerits, and NGO has provide some needy person, and they can get provide education and provide better than food education, and if we could talk about some NGO are corrupted because they are to showing false document, and they can certificate at NGO, but they are not to give and providing helps, and they are also to collect money with open aspects.
I am
at,
agree with
I
you.
want to add
Sometimes
some
we have
point.
seen that NGOs works for. I am agree with
Yes,
you. Sometimes we have seen that NGO are worked for politicians, and politicians wants to make change money, black money into the white money. Therefore, it is not good for the society.
yes, I'm agree with you
Example,
that sometimes
NGO receive fund from people and foreign country. There are some place where our government are not able to solve this many problem, but NGO work well. And NGO good for work social issue like eradicating poverty and providing education and quality education.
yes, I'm agree with you all, and I want to say that you are saying that in NGOs there corruption is also. So I'm agree with that point because sometimes when I check the data of previous year, previous year, that time I found that many NGOs they are working as a, like you are going to take the help from that NGOs, then they will say they will tell you that you have to change your religion in Muslim and in other castes also. That it is not a good thing for NGOs, in my opinion.
Dear friends,
At
I
some
cannot
point,
say that all NGO are doing like this.
India
Some
has a
NGO are
more
working
than
really for the
30 lakh
needy people, or I say that if the mentality of the people who are working in NGO will be changed, and that all depend in his mindset.
Yes,
at some
I
point
agree to
India
all of
has
you.
more than
All
30 lakh
NGOs have advantages
NGO
as well as disadvantages because NGO always not only for working our society but also for working for everything. Like the some NGOs working for the climate save like that situation, doing a more tree plantations. Some NGOs are working for the to save the cows, also stop the smuggling of the cows, and some NGOs are also working for the woman development, like the stopping the child marriages in society due to the efforts of NGOs. Right now, we are also getting results, which is a good, like the child marriage is decreasing, and the we are not the street boys are also not finding because the NGOs work for them.
Yes, I
Yes, my
agree
dear
with
friend,
you.
I
In
am
remote areas,
Government
the
is
government
very well
cannot
in our
able
Yeah,
to
I,
provide
assist. There
facilities.
are
There
very,
also a
very useful.
negative sides in NGO.
yes,
In my opinions, uh,
yes,
uh,
my dear
uh,
friend, I agree with you. Like
some people
our government
corrupted due
also
to
work on
NGOs.
our government also work against the NGOs, the fraud NGOs, and many other fraud associations. Like our government launched a scheme, bond scheme, in which to give a high amount to any NGO. Then you use the bond from the bank, and this is a very good scheme because you want because the government says that which way the money is coming and which way the money is used for and which purpose is used. It is a very helpful for to chase the black money in our country.
yeah, I at some point we get a benefit from NGO like they provide medical health care, they address hunger, they help in natural disaster, and they promote inequality and fairness in legal system.
I am agree with you. NGO runs various programs to aware about women empowerment, self employment, and child marriages, and provide also the quality of good education. It is a good for our country like India because India is a developing country.
Yes, I'm agree with you. And I want to say that
I
a
add some
lot of
points.
NGOs
There are
are.
some places where government are not able to do work, but their NGO work well.
Yes, that's I'm explaining that a lot of NGOs are working on that areas where government is not doing much. For example, I want to explain that Gunj NGO is providing clothes and other basic facilities to the million of poor peoples, and they are the like with the help of these organizations, development program and can happen faster and efficiently, in my
I
opinion.
agree with you, friend. In my opinion,
Yes, dear friends,
NGOs is
in
a
my
very
other
useful in
opinions,
our country. So
uh,
NGOs
our
is a very
governments
well in provide
divide many
education
sectors
and
like
qualifications and
NGOs
information.
and
Like NGO is a very
many
well in our
launched
country.
missions
If
like
request is
Swachh Bharat
very in
Mission.
NGOs, this is
Uh,
very perspective in our country. So NGOs is a very well in our country. And in my request, the people to the NGOs is working for good is good. NGOs is our work increasing day by day and well in our society, and child harassment is increasing. Harassment is decreasing day by day. So NGO is good.
At some point, NGO receive fund from people and foreign country. NGO they are not profit organization. That means they do not get a profit on their organization.
Dear friends, I want to give a chance Ankit Kumar.
NGO should be sensitive in religious customs and the culture of a community they serve.
I am agree with you. In 1960, NGO has got popularity across the world because the government cannot be able to provide basic things of the people of our country.
Adding to some points on the basis of NGOs, the NGOs also help for at the time when our country faces a natural disaster-like situation like flood. When the Uttarakhand in 2013 Uttarakhand flood came, then NGO also work for the public welfare. They provide the eating foods and giving education to their children. So that means that they helping in every situation for the needy people, and these are the non-profitable organizations, so they are working for the society every time.
I at some point you know that about
Friends,
2 years before in a pandemic in Corona, NGO are good working in our country and help people and our society and nation.
our
As dear friends, in my other
I'm
opinions,
agree with you. I want to say that
during pandemic COVID-19, times NGO help many sectors like oxygen cylinders and medical related and so on.
Yes, I'm agree with you that you said in Corona time when the many peoples they are not getting the good food and other facilities also. That time the NGOs helped that peoples in good manner. And now I want to say that they run various programs which are responsible for sudden and decisive increase in self-employment, level of education, and women empowerment. They are NGOs are helping in all these things which I mentioned. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, at some point NGO fight for people right. NGO give employment, which is a major problem. There are some places where government are not able to do work, but NGO work well.
Yes,
I am
friends,
agree with you. I am agree with you. NGO especially works in rural areas in deprived locations because NGO because the people of the
Yeah, at
NGOs
some point
people of the
you
rural.
know that about Barak. Barak is the biggest NGO in the world, which is stable in Bangladesh in 1972. Its annual income is 1.08 billion US dollar.
Yes, dear friends, in my other opinions, in rural areas and many people cannot understand what is a NGO.
Yes, my dear friends, I have to add some points. NGO not only work for humans but also for animals. I give an example like Bajrang Dal, Goseva, and many other welfare societies are work in our near areas, and also many association for introduce blood camps like Said Bhagat Singh Blood Camp Association and many other associations. It is not only for Goraksha, not only for Goraksha, but also the all animals like street dogs and are injured and they help the street dogs and other animals also help.
Yes, I agree to you that NGO not only working for the human but also working for animals, trees and other things which is help the society. The NGO means the non governmental but help the society full society needy things. That is the called a real NGO. But situation is something becoming a different right now. Some NGOs are not working for society. These are only open for the to save the taxes money because too much taxes, so they donate the money to save the taxes and they use it through the NGOs accounts. And these people are using it. And also
yes,
we
friends.
find that the terror funding was also going on through the NGOs accounts. So government is making a laws too much making a laws to stop these NGOs which is against our countries through the NIA, National Investigation Agency.
Yeah, at some point you read about Arabian country, man, like Afghanistan, Iraq, Syria. There were women are very harassment and sexual attack and acid attack. Then NGO are good work in Arab country.
Yes, friends, I agree with you. In rural areas is a difficult where poor network connectivity, so NGOs are.
Yes,
Uh,
friends. Now I want to, yeah, I want to add some points like the NGOs. They are working in every sector, as you already mentioned that in like for humans and for the like species, different species. They are working for our nation, and like here NGOs not only work physically but also support and guide society to lead towards betterment. In today's youth, we have found that enthusiasm and encouragement to take one step forward for helping in any situation, making paths in the worst conditions. So they are also helping to the change the people's mindset also. Thank you.
I at some point United Nations organization in the year 1914, 5 NGO established in America and non-governmental organization become popular.
Yes, adding to
And
the
this
point that
time,
NGO also provide a good education for the needy people. Like we find that the in roads there is a too much children are playing and they are not going to the for school because they have no proper facilities. So that time NGO work for that welfare of that person to giving a good education so that they become a good person in future.
And I
yes, I
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you,
It
but
is
I want to
very
say
right when
that
people
in
recognize
my
the
opinion,
network connectivity that NGOs are involved in in a very day. So it is work in a very well in a private this is a private institute, and NGOs persons like child marriage helps in our women's helps. So NGO is a good platform.
I am agree with you. Many schemes run by Indian government that not reach the in the rural areas and deprived location. Therefore, NGO works a lot to provide facility of and also provide to schemes launched by Indian government to deprived people.
The NGO need will be there was raised in 1960 because 1960 to 1965 because that time our country will be face many wars 1960 to 1965, but that time our government can't give the proper nourishment for the poor childs and poor systems, poor peoples. But at that time NGOs will be help for the government and work at a ground level and give the proper nourishment and proper food and give the hospitals and many other and campaigns will be raised.
Yes, dear friends, every coin has two sides, so there are positive and negative sides. In my opinion, if NGO is really working well, the all the social challenges in India would have eliminated by now. Forget eliminating problems, there is no satisfactory development in India according to the SD Human Development Index report. Thank you.
Yes, friends, I agree
yes,
with you, and it is a very helpful for every person's. NGO is good in our country, and the NGOs is work very well. So India is a developing countries, and NGOs helps for this made this situations. Thank you.
yes, I'm agree with you all. But now I want to explain one other another point that is important point. Like for example, if a person is interested in teaching and wants to get experience in a particular field, they can initiate their respective journey by providing education to students who can't afford to go to school, and the bridge that connects such inspirant are NGOs. Thank you.
I am agree with you. NGO also provide awareness to plant more and more trees because therefore it is good for the atmosphere, and it also affects the global warming.
It depends on the person morality and mentality that he should join the NGO or not. I think every as a student, at least we should join the any NGO so that we can work for the society welfare. We can give our hands for the society so that that people even if we find that any NGO working in our society who is providing good education to others, so where we can go to take a one classes on there free. And also if any NGO who is providing who is working for the atmosphere and go for climate and doing more tree plantation, so we can go with them. So that's the thing, as a individual we can do for the welfare of the society. It depends on morality.
Yes, dear friends, in my other opinions, adding some points, if every person is follow NGO rules, because if we follows NGO rules, then
At last, I would like to say that if we want to join NGOs and do work with NGOs, because NGOs are good and very helpful for our society. If we are able to donate anything, which food, clothes, and every medicine and many other substances, which give to the NGO and help the poor persons also. Thank you so much.
Yes, I agree
Yes,
with you. And
every
NGO is helpful for unmarried childs and handicapped persons. So NGO is a good platform. This provides knowledge, informations, and good ideas. NGO is good.
I'm agree with you. Or now, and now I want to say, I want to explain that in the all youth, they all want to serve their nations. They want to do something for their nation to development their country and society. So I want to say that NGO is the good platform to do that works. Mm.
Conclude कर दो भाई topic को.
Yes, friends, I am gonna conclude that topic. So, NGO is a provide knowledge and informations. They are experts to incoming, out, incoming and out, incoming and outcoming many more and more useful. This is for plant trees and use. NGOs is good. NGOs is not only help in our main society in or or help man those persons. So NGO is good platform for poor people, needy people, and unmarried systems, etc. Thank you.
सेशन को एंड कर दे.
At last, in conclusion, I want to say that NGO is good for society, but the proper registration and the authentication is important for any NGOs, or also proper surveillance of any NGO by the government is very important, so that we can give a preference to that NGOs which is really working for the society. NGO who is not working for society, who is doing unethical activities, crime activities with the help of NGOs. So ban it and get the information that from where they are doing. So this is the main thing with the NGOs. Thank you.
In my opinion, I think government and NGO are working together to solve many problems and improve our nation and society, and labor issues and women empowerment and slum area street student and many more social issues.
In my conclusion, I want to say that NGOs is the good platform for the good private platform that helps the every needy person in every field. Every field we already mentioned that. But as the brother said, if they are properly authentication by the government, then it's a good thing. But we all know that in this time, very more NGOs are working in wrong fields, like they are manipulating the peoples towards their religion and other things also. Thank you.